Hello and welcome to our web series. My name is Paulina Desetnichenko and we are at Dragonfly Belly Dance Studio in Toronto. It gives me great pleasure to introduce Dr. George Sawa, who is an Arabic musician, historian, theorist, and is an award-winning hell of a guy. We sincerely hope you enjoy our series. In this video, we are going to talk about the sounds of Arabic drum and show one zar pattern.
Hello, my friends. I would like to show you the sound of Arabic drums. I'll show you three basic sounds on the darabuka. One is your dum sound, and you get that by putting your knuckle on the rim and all four fingers together tight, and you gently hit the drum. Then you have the tak sound on the edge. Then you have the sakka sound. There are three types. Two of them I got from playing the tambourine, the folk Egyptian tambourine known as the duf. And you play thumb, index. Make sure they don't fall together. On purpose, they have to be offset. Or you can do pinky all the way to the index finger. Or you can do the nightclub slap. I'll do the same now with the tambourine. The duf. And you can get a dum with your middle finger. Gently again hit the tambourine in the center. Or you can play with four fingers. Your tak can be again on the rim or gently with your left hand. The tak will be two types. Index, thumb index, or pinky all the way to your index. I'm going to play one drum beat that has all three sounds to demonstrate how they fit together. And this is a zar drum beat, and it's one of 20 different zar drum beat from Cairo. 4 of them I have in my book, Egyptian Music Appreciation and Practice for Belly Dancers. So this one will be one of them. Now I want to play one track on my CD, track 13. It shows the Sudani. It's a Sudani zar, and lovely drum beat. And it has the doholla, a very big drum, bigger than the darabuka, with donkey skin and tambourines.